Hi, welcome. My name is Andreas and this is Scikit-Talk, an open source Python SciPy toolkit to help build, explore, and analyze collections of conversational speech. Tailored to the research and development community, one possible use case that we had in mind is data-driven chatbot development, where researchers explore natural conversational data to learn about how people communicate in the real world. Then come up with interaction concepts or dialogue prototypes, which would then feed into a design, build, test, and evaluation cycle. To facilitate this, Scikit-Talk can be used to build datasets of real-world conversational speech. Specifically, the toolkit can be used to process any transcriptions of talk that are turn-based, that have a speaker ID, and that have a timestamp. For instance, such data could look like this. We have a turn, a speaker ID, and the content of a turn. Then, a conversation would unfold in a turn-by-turn manner. Often, this includes a wide range of elements of talk and phenomena, such as overlaps, pauses, truncations, or abandoned turns, as well as minimal utterances, such as continuous. From a data processing point of view, a challenge is that such data can be transcribed and annotated using different labels and various levels of detail, which means there is no unified representation format for this type of data. And while this may be for good scientific reasons, it can be a challenge for anybody who wants to build collections of conversational speech in a consistent format, maybe by combining data from different sources. To make this building process of datasets a little more streamlined, less technical, and more accessible, Scikit-Talk's preprocessor module provides a range of tools to process different transcription formats. It also provides a range of pre-built interfaces to parse and edit the transcription formats of some existing language resources. Currently, the toolkit provides these for files in the chat format, ELAN format, as well as the general LDC transcription format and spoken BNC data. Here, Scikit-Talk provides a range of processing tools and parsers and builds on other existing open source projects. The PyLangAC project maintained by Jackson L. Lee, Speech by Le Tuan An, as well as PyMPI maintained by Mark Luberts and Francisco Torreira. The module provides tools that aim to make building datasets of conversational speech faster and more accessible. Scikit-Talk represents conversational speech as a data frame in the following format: timestamp information, speaker ID, and turn content. In addition, the toolkit also contains a range of tools to explore this type of dataset. The Explorer module provides an interface to conduct frequency analyses, as well as concordance and collocation analyses designed for this data format. The toolkit can also be used to add annotations to the dataset. Here, Scikit-Talk provides a modular, regular expression-based annotation tool. Going back to the data shown earlier, and the use case of data-driven chatbot development, this annotator can be used to add, for instance, intent labels, speech acts, or dialogue states. The content of the annotations is customizable and can be added layer by layer onto an existing dataset. Here, we aim to provide the user with a convenient tool to add any type of annotation and to identify and mark phenomena of interest, such as dialogue state transitions, abandoned turns, joint completions, or truncations. The modular design of Scikit-Talk, divided into three components, preprocessor, explorer, and annotator, allows the user to either follow the designated workflow or to take any module and adapt it to a particular need. To find out more about the project, its current state of development, or to contribute, please find Scikit-Talk on the website of the Python Package Index. Goodbye, and thank you for your time.